What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're working on the Drip V. This weekend we have to get these control arms on. Got them powder coated, and I had to go down and get these spacers for it to make the bolts a little bit tighter in the socket. We have header gaskets to put on the headers, the new headers that we built last weekend, so or the following weekend. So we got to get those put on. We have a new crank position sensor, and then yeah, that's my goal for this weekend, is get that stuff on. If I do get finished up quickly, I want to go ahead and get this bumper fixed, finish getting it fixed. I already braced the back and it just grabbed a little bit right there. So that happened at the last Club Loose event. I tried to use zip ties on the bumper, it didn't work. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, I just want to give you a PSA. You got to cut this little spacer off the original control arm to kind of go on the edge here, because if you look, it locates inside the knuckle. So you got to put this in there. So you got to put this in there so it works properly. Both control arms on, and they're adjusted closely to what the original control arms were that I had set up. I know they're gonna be off. I have an alignment scheduled once I finish the front ones. I gotta do these control arm bushings. They're not good. They're not good at all. I have to get them changed out. But good news. Yup. Spring mats, here we come. So twice last year I had my car shut off randomly. Couldn't get it started for over an hour. Once it started up though, it ran perfectly great for months. I thought it was a fuel pump, so I ended up changing the fuel pump. It wasn't it. Anyway, so I think it's the crank sensor. So I bought a brand new AC Delco 1 month ago when I put the new motor in it. It was junk out the box. Trying a different brand. I'm trying a standard one. See if it's any better, but gotta give it a try. Okay guys, we got the new control arms on. We even got a factory CTSV suede seat. It has a rip in it, as you can see, but I'll get that fixed, no worries. We got the headers on, finally bolted on 100%. I gotta do the heater core hoses and we're done. Finish the front bumper and the exhaust. Next episode, we build, I don't know, I've never seen one. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm the first CTSV one with 3-inch oval exhaust. We'll see. I love the way 3-inch oval exhaust sounds on an LS. So I'll see you on the next one.